สวัสดีค่ะทุกคนครูบิวนะคะ and welcome to a bit about Thai culture with Teacher Bill. Today we are talking about Thai traditional coconut grater. The traditional Thai coconut grater in Thai we call กระต่ายขูดมะพร้าว กระต่าย means rabbits. ขูด means to grate or to scrape. มะพร้าว means coconut.Coconut is an essential ingredient in Thai cuisine, and this grater make it easy to get coconut milk, coconut cream, and more. The coconut grater is made of wood and metal that grates the coconut flesh into fine shreds. It was a must-have kitchen utensil for Thai people in the past. The grater is also very durable.To use the grater, simply place coconut shell on a sharp scraper and grate the coconut. It looks easy but actually is a good upper body exercise. The end result is perfectly grated coconut, ready to be squeezed into coconut milk. Whether you are making a delicious green curry or classic tom kha gai soup, or just want to add some fresh.coconut flavor to your cooking. In the past, we need the Thai coconut grater กระต่ายขูดมะพร้าว